So I'm using medium worsted yarn with 6mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 2. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 5 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in every stitch, total of 10. It's a bit tight, the last one. Okay. Two single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1. I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in every stitch for this round. Just 1 single crochet. Chain 1. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and repeat. 2 single crochet in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the following stitch till the end of this row. So when I start with 2 single crochet, I end up at the end of the row with 1 single crochet only. Oops. So 1 single crochet. Chain 1. Again 1 single crochet in every stitch. So every other round or row will be 1 single crochet in every stitch, just to keep the semicircle flat and in the right shape. Not becoming like a half moon. Just a straight line here. And after every row of single crochet, then we follow with a row of decrease of the 2 single crochet in one stitch. So chain 1, again 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches, and repeat. 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches. We repeat till the end of the row. 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches. and 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. This is how it looks so far. Oops, this is how it looks so far. Now the next round or row will be again 1 single crochet. And this is how it looks like so far. So you continue doing every other row 1 single crochet in every stitch, then the following row is a decrease of the 2 single crochet, exactly the same when you do the flat circle. So the next row will be 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches, and again 1 row of single crochet only, and then 1 row of decrease. I'll leave the written pattern in the link in the description box for you to understand more if it's still difficult. Otherwise, I hope you like this short tutorial and you found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.